Morning students, class 8. I am Vijay Kumar Jha, your English teacher. Presently I am going to explain among you kinds of adverb. What is adverb? I have explained it yesterday. This time learn its kinds. About kinds of adverb, the first kind, adverb of manner, I had explained yesterday. This time take care what is adverb of time. What is adverb of time? Dear students, you know about time very well, but you have to understand that time telling word is known as adverb. The word, write down definition. The adverb that tells about time is known as adverb of time. As he came late. Now in this sentence, word late tells something about the verb coming. Work of coming has been done here lately. Late modifies verb came, that's why this is adverb. But adverb is related with time, that's why adverb of time it is. Like that, it will be done tomorrow. It will be done tomorrow. When it work of doing will be tomorrow. That's why tomorrow tells about a time, and tomorrow modifies verb doing. That's why first of all it is adverb, and adverb because it tells about time. That's why adverb of time it is. Like that, some more example. He has done this shortly. In this sentence also, shortly tells something about the work of doing. That's why adverb and adverb of time, because shortly tells about time. So words like, note down words like late, today, now, already, shortly, soon, yesterday, ago, tomorrow, before, are used as adverb. Could you understand? Like that, you have to take care here that the other kind of it is What is adverb of place? Write down definition. The adverb that tells about a place is known as adverb of place. As for example, you may write here Raju is here. In this sentence, here tells about a place and this modifies the verb is. That's why this is adverb first, and out of adverb this is time telling place telling adverb. That's why this is adverb of place. Adverb of place. He went there. In this sentence, there tells about a place. That's why this is adverb of place. Adverb of place. One more example. Write down come in soon. In this sentence, in is not a preposition. Come in tells about a place, means you have to come inside. That's why in this sentence is adverb of place that modifies the verb come. Go down. Go down immediately. Go down immediately. Here down is adverb of place because it tells about a place, it modifies the verb go. So write down here some words that are used as adverb of place. They are here, there, in, out, above, below, up, within, away, down, everywhere, anywhere, are used as adverb of place. Now, as sum up your understanding here, first of all you have to care what is adverb. That you can find out by taking care which word tells something about an adjective or a verb. Then what works the adverb does. you have to take care. If the verb tells about time, that is adverb of time. If the adverb tells about a place, that is adverb of place. Now your time is going to be over. Some more in next slide. Thank you.